Everybody, it is Quicken, and today I am going to be doing a little bit of swatches, and I'm going to show you how I got this makeup look using all of the colors from the new Better Naked palette by 100% Pure. So if you haven't heard of 100% Pure, this is a brand I have worked with for the last couple of years, doing stuff with their moisturizers and face care, and today I'm going to be trying out their palette. So this Better Naked palette debuts March 1st, so you can go and get your hands on it over on their website, which I will link down below. I'll also be trying their Pro Tea matte lipstick and their Punch creamy lip liner as well, and I'll have some swatches at the end of the video. So if you want to see how I got this look and a little more info about the Better Naked palette, you can stay tuned for this video. And thank you again 100% Pure for sponsoring this video. I love partnering with you guys, and what better than to play around and recommend some vegan makeup for you guys. So if you want to check it out, stay tuned. So I am just, I thought that was a drop of coffee. So this is the Better Naked palette by 100% Pure. So opening this up, it's really, really beautiful, really simple, but that's kind of like stuff I'm looking for. So you can see here there is a highlighter, a blush, and then 3 eyeshadow shades. This is Kitty Chat, Bear R's, and Butterfly Pavilion. So I am going to create a little eye look with this, and then I'm going to show you swatches as well. And I also have 2 lip colors, and these are really pretty. And this is Pro Tea, which is a cocoa butter matte lipstick. Really, really pretty in the box there even. Nice recycled paper. I love it, and it says cruelty free right on the back there, which is easy for you guys. And then a nice little red matching lip liner, and this is in the color Punch. So I'll show you swatches of those as well, but we'll get into this beautiful palette. So I already have my face prepped with my BB cream, you might be able to tell. So I am just going to dip my blush brush into this blush right here. And not a lot of kickback on here, just tap that out. Oh, that's really pretty. I've been looking for a nice, like, everyday neutral blush. And then I'm just going to take a fan brush and dip it into this highlight shade here. So the first thing we're going to do is dip into this middle shade, our Bears right here. And I'm just going to lay that over the lid. I'm just kind of going back in to build the intensity, really show this color. Next, I'm going to go in with like a blending brush and take this darker color on the end, the Butterfly Pavilion, and I'm just going to pick up a little bit of that on the brush. I'm going to go back in and just build up that intensity a little more. And these are really nice, easy to blend. They're not chalky. My brush isn't skipping or anything like that. I'm just dragging that underneath the eye. Next, with a flatter brush, I'm going to take the more shimmering shade, Kitty Chat. And I'm just going to take that to the middle part of my eyelid. I feel like this is my like cheapy cut crease, my like fool's cut crease. I just like put shimmer on the middle of my lid just to bring lightness there. And I kind of like push it into the darkened crease. Next, with my finger, I'm just going to take that shade and run it over the top of my brow bone. Then I just have this little dense brush, and I'm just going to take that along the bottom of my lash line. Cute. So here is the 100% pure creamy long lasting lip liner in the color Punch. I'm just going to line my lips with this. Can you guys hear the storm? It's like crazy snowing outside. That is creamy. And I look like a crazy person, but here is the lipstick. Ooh, that's pretty. I've never had a more berry lipstick from them, only like a nude, but like look how matte it just like looks. It looks just like, it's just matte in general. This is a very good mirror. So this has like a berry scent to it too. And I'm just gonna go ahead and like blend the lip liner and lipstick together. So this is the little completed look. Let me know what you think. This is nice natural light, so let's do some swatches. You can see it right there. Very pretty. I'm super pale, but I think it's a really nice pinky, pretty highlight. Here is the Bunny Lapin Blush. Kitty Chat Shimmer Shade. Bear R's eyeshadow shade. And Butterfly Pavilion. And here is the makeup in the like low light of my bathroom. Definitely cute for like a day to night look as well. I feel like a lot more aspects of it pop in the like warmer, like Vanity Light. And here are the shades again in like a lower light. The shimmer, blush, and 3 eyeshadow shades. My general impressions of this makeup by 100% Pure, I really like it. I feel like it's a very nice, more subtle makeup. Definitely something like the whole time I was thinking this is really nice to bring to travel because it does have your blush and your shimmer shade. Definitely for somebody who's looking for like a nice flush of makeup but nothing like too crazy. Like honestly what I thought of is I really want to go to DC for the cherry blossoms, and I thought I would pack this palette because it's something nice just to like pop out. Definitely like a really cute day look, but then you saw that it could really transform into a night look for somebody who's either a beginner with makeup or you're just doing something a little more casual, something really nice like that. I do think that the swatches, I mean, they might not be like popping off of my skin for you, but this is kind of the makeup I gravitate towards, like just a nice natural look. You can definitely do things with these shadows. I think if you were wearing them just by themselves or you created a similar look to mine, just like a nice pop of color, a nice wash of color, definitely cute and subtle, which is kind of what I like. I think I really like more of an enhancement of your natural beauty. I think this is what this palette will give you. I think something really interesting about this too is that it is all natural ingredients. All of these pigments are created with fruit, and I think that a nice natural makeup line is going to give you these kind of results. So I'm really into it. And the lipstick is nice and fruity smelling. The package is really, really cute and definitely flattering. This lipstick color didn't transfer onto my teeth or anything, and it is like a very nice complementary matte lipstick. I could definitely pack this and have a whole look, and I'm definitely really into it. I did like the way that the eyeliner, the creamy long wearing lasting lip liner definitely was creamy and then it applied that way. So applying it carefully with a steady hand and then blending it out with a lip brush really worked well for me. So let me know what you guys think. This Naked, Better Naked palette, fruit pigmented, natural, and vegan, this debuted on their website as of March 1st, so you can check that out. I will provide some links. Thank you 100% Pure for sending me these goodies. I really had a fun time. I really love 100% Pure's facial skincare line as well. You guys might remember the moisturizer I had on my Instagram, and then when I asked you guys what you recommended for under the eye, a bunch of people said 100% Pure in my comments. So definitely leave a like if you want me to explore some of their skincare. I'm definitely excited to try it. And yeah, let me know what you think. Is this the kind of makeup that you would gravitate towards? Are these the looks you like? Or are you looking for something more like statement-y? Thank you guys so much, and until next time, bye.